Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing out these turn signals. We got the new Lasfits in, like I said I was most likely going to do, so here we go. This is the product. They threw in some cool stickers this time. And all you're going to be needing to install these is just a simple pry tool to remove this piece and an 8mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver for the 2 bolts that hold in this particular part of the tail light. And that's it. I use a drill just so I don't have to work with a screwdriver. It's just faster, and I like to use the socket. So yep, this is what you get. These are the lights. I'll pull them out so you can get a better look. So here's the light bulb taken out. Pretty cool looking. Get a better focus on it. There we go. As you look, as you turn the bulb, it almost looks like one side is orange, then it goes yellow, goes orange, goes yellow. Kind of strange how it does that one. But yep, that's the bulb. It's a direct replacement. It's canvas ready, so you won't get any hyper flash, and you won't get any bulb out warnings. So without further ado, I'll show you guys how to install them. I'll do a light test, daytime, nighttime. So I already loosened this one, but basically all you have to do is you put your pry tool in here, and then you just work your way down, and then you just start to pop it out from this direction, and it pops out. No broken tabs. These 2 screws, like I said, they are 8mm. So you just use that, or you could use a Phillips head screwdriver. It's all about your preference. I'll just pop these out real quick. Just makes it a lot faster. And to pull this housing out, you just need to wiggle it this direction, and then there's little tabs on the side, or pins, and you just pull it straight out. You see those pins? Bring the camera out. You're just gonna pop these out, and then you're gonna take the light harness out, which I'll show you which one it is. Okay, so now it's this yellow one. You're gonna twist it to your left and just pull out. That's the bulb. You're gonna pop the bulb out by pushing down and twisting. Bulb's out. You get your replacement. Basically the same procedure into the socket. Let's see if I can do it on camera. But basically just put it back in and twist to the right. Bulb's in. Twist this back to the right. It's locked in, and that's it. Make sure you get these tabs back in first, and you slide the light forward, and that's it. And that's pretty much it. So you just push this in that way, make sure the holes line back up, everything is flush here. Very simple, nothing difficult. I wanted to point out, when you put these back in, see this little track here, right there, and there's a little track here. Basically you want to line those 2 up, and you want to just slide it in this way so it meets flush, and then you just want to push it back into place. Hard to do it one hand, but that's the idea of it. So you want to slide the front of it into that track, get it nice and flush here, right there. You see how it's flush, and then you just want to push this section back in, and that's it. It's in. This is what it should look like after it's in. Everything nice and flush, nothing bowing out. If it's bowing out and it's not pretty much flat along here, it's not installed properly. You may get extra water behind there. So yeah, just make sure it's flush, click it in, you're good to go. This is what the bulb looks like in the housing while it's off versus the factory one, which is over here. So it looks a little different inside, not much, but that's what it looks like. I'm going to show you a comparison from one side to the next during the day, and then I'll do a night test for both stock and aftermarket. As you can see, during the day there's definitely a big difference in brightness. At night I'm sure it's going to be way better, but this is what it looks like during the day. Perfect color versus OEM. Alright guys, so as you can see, much brighter. Look at that. Absolutely ridiculous. No bulb outage warnings or anything like that. No hyper flash. Pretty much exactly what I was looking for. So guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Got some new stuff coming pretty soon. So make sure you hit the bell notification for any upcoming videos. Take care.